Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Climax Tech Gallery. We are uploading tech-related gadgets frequently. In this video you will find Waykar 2000 square feet dehumidifier for home and basement with drain hose and reusable air filter, ideal for large and medium-sized rooms, bathrooms. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. This dehumidifier is capable of do away with as much as 30 pints, below 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 90% RH condition, of moisture consistent with day. Please note, the max dehumidification capability is as much as 30 pints below 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 90% RH operating condition, in regions as much as 2000 square feet with adjustable humidity from 30% RH to 80% RH. It's a really perfect dehumidifier for any basement, office, home, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, stockroom, residing room, laundry room, cellar, crawl space, and more. The Waykar dehumidifier is designed with glossy and cutting-edge look. With ergonomically raise-up handles, you could circulate around this transportable dehumidifier easily. A quiet fan that won't disturb you whilst you sleep or at work, adjustable fan speeds for a couple of choices. 24-hour timer setting for preset operation and decreased electricity consumption. There is an wise display contact manage panel show at the clever dehumidifier. You could function it easily. Humidity auto control, simply alter in your perfect moisture setting, it'll neatly feel room humidity and manage dehumidification to hold preset humidity levels. Automatic shut-off/on, shuts off robotically whilst the bucket is full, and transfer it on once more after the bucket been emptied. The unit comes with a 6.56 toes drain hose that you could connect it to the drain pipe hollow to always drain water. This is dehumidified. Manual drain. The water tank is 0.48 gal. Whilst it reaches most capability, the full tank indicator will mild up. The dehumidifier will robotically transfer off till the tank has been emptied. Meanwhile, a reusable and washer-friendly clear-out preserves sparkling and smooth air quality. Support. All of Waykar dehumidifiers are protected with 30-day cash lower back in case you aren't glad with the product. 1 12 months guarantee, second 12 months guarantee extension and lifelong professional tech support. Please do not hesitate to touch us if there may be any question. We can respond to you inside 24 hours and assist you remedy the problems. Waykar Customer Service Group is continually simply one electronic mail away. Technical details: brand Waykar floor area 2000 square feet color white special feature automatic defrost capacity 0.48 gallons tank volume 0.48 gallons product dimensions 7.28 dx 11.22 inches wide by 19.29 inches high. Recommended uses for product: indoor places included components: removable water tank X1, detachable and washable filter X1, user manual X1, 6.56 feet drain hose X1, power cord X1, Waykar 30 pints dehumidifier ×1 removable water tank X1, detachable and washable filter X1, user manual X1, 6.56 feet drain hose X1, power cord X1, Waykar 30 pints dehumidifier ×1 item weight 23 pounds.